here, which is all the more important. And please be nice to Poy. Okay? Okay?
But we know and we've discovered what each of you are capable of doing eh. So we feel that you can do some more. Feeling namin. No? Diba? There's a lot more that you can improve on. So you've got to prove yourselves kasi ito na yun.
Ito na yun eh.
The contest has just begun.
Kasi alam mo, at this point, nagkakabukuhan na kung sino ang nasa itaas at kung sino ang nasa ibaba. Nagkakabukuhan na. At nakikita yan ng audience sa labas. Okay? Ng mga nanonood at sa mga performance. Kaya kailangan, bigay todo na to. Bigay todo na to. Enjoy it. Parang ano, parang sa amusement park tayo. You get into as many rides, but you learn as much from the thrill of each ride. Okay?
Did you notice the judges, they were really enjoying themselves? Kasi nakikita nila yung binibigay nyo eh. Yung spirito na yon, yung talagang lumalabas na yon. Hopefully, kapag kayo nagpa-perform na solo-solo, ganun din siya. Yung spirito na yon, na whether the song is masaya or hindi, lalabas yung, kitang-kita nila na hindi kayo nangangapa, hindi kayo parang, saan ako pupunta? Hindi nyo hinahanap yung mga nota nyo. Nakikita yun at naririnig. So yun ang in-expect ng audience din. Pagka nakikita nyo sila na nag-react na parang malabo yung performance, it's because malabo yung binigay nyo na feeling. Hindi kayo sure sa sarili nyo. Okay? That's all you need to do. Just give 100% and then yung pakiramdam, make us feel good, and that's it. Everything follows.
And enjoy it. Enjoy it. Kaya nga nung boy band, yung tatlong itlog, nung nag-perform, di ba you were enjoying it and it's so infectious. Okay? Ito naman tatlong, hindi Supreme siya, Supreme. It really, really good. Anyway, we'll talk about more of that on Monday. I know you're hungry.
Yeah. Sumakit yung mga legs niya. Yung...
Laugh ako ng laugh!
Oh my God!
Exercise mo yun.
Breath flow.
Breath
flow.
Wala pa yan. Ako, Diyos ko, pag nasa real world na kayo, Diyos ko dahi! Diyos ko dahi, wala pa yan.
Natatakot na naman.
Uy, at saka, palit ka ng deodorant, gumanyan ka pa. Kasi Kichi, all the time, nakaganyan siya. Aba, ngayong gabi, gumanyan na siya.
Ay, ganun pala yung joke na yun.
Yeah, okay, good. But we're really happy.
Okay, enjoy your dinner.
Kain na.
Kumain na kayo?
Opo!
Pakalitan niyo po yung yoga teacher namin. Kasi mali-mali yung breathing natin.
Ayan, hindi na kayo maglalakad ng ganyan. Nakakatawa kayo ng maglalakad. Ang ganda. Sarap.
Kasi ganito po yun eh. Okay.
In the weeks to come, we're going to be fixing what you get. Because it's it's contest time. You're top 10 na. So, we will have to be picky. That's why I say you survived it.
Focus ka para Faela. So be very careful in your choice of songs. You're assessing each student and because you have built-in limitations which you have to work within.
Ganda. Ano?
Mga judges po. Mga judges.
Christian! Pare!
Wow!
Binuhat.
Tayo niya na. Christian! We love you, pare. We love you. Bako ng kilikili mo. Yes! Huwag mo kami kakalimutan, ha? Kailangan mo pag-ibay.
Struggler! Fellow struggler!
Ay, dali mo yung tumbler mo. Ayaw yung tumbler mo. Ay, yung face shake, ipadala mo na lang.